Yeah, well said. We'll get that 5 o'clock advisory. Summer folks are just getting home right now from a busy day at work, and we want to get them caught up on what's going on with Helene. You can see the thunderstorms really blossoming. Cam and I were looking at the visible satellite imagery. You can see the eye now trying to tighten on up. It is right in the heart of the Hurricane Center's cone. And speaking of that cone, this is expected to be a major hurricane now by as early as Thursday morning and making landfall as a major hurricane now by the time we get to 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. The models have been very, very consistent now. Big Bend, maybe back towards Steinhatchee. If there's any shift today, it might be just a little bit to the west, but not by very much. Bottom line, the impacts are still going to be the same for us here in Central Florida. All the intensity forecasts ranging from a tropical storm, most of them Cat 2 to Cat 3, as you can see with the intensity forecast grid that we've kind of put up. The thing for me, though, that I want to make very clear for folks at home is that here's the cone. Now, as the storm gets closer to us, this cone is going to shrink. However, the impacts are not. They're going to be well outside of that cone. You can see the hurricane watches outside of that cone. Inland tropical storm watches from Marion, Sumter Lake, Seminole, on into Osceola County. The only areas that are not in that tropical storm watches are the eastern side of the peninsula. So we'll continue to evaluate that. So the bottom line for me and Cam, here's what we want you to know. First warning weather days, Wednesday night on into Thursday. That's when we're going to start to get into the outer bands, and we'll be watching the flood, wind, and severe weather risks going forward. Cam, over to you.
Yeah, we're talking more about those impacts, and one of those impacts that we will see will be in terms of very strong winds, tropical storm strike winds, in fact, especially for the I-4 corridor on eastward. But look out towards the west here along I-75. Folks in Marion County and far western Sumter County, we could be talking about wind gusts as strong as 60 miles per hour. So that could, of course, cause some power outages. Now, in terms of where we could see the best shot for power outages, it's going to be definitely in the Big Bend region here, where you can see in the red widespread power outages are likely. But here along the I-75 counties, including up in Marion County, the potential for power outages will be likely, and then in the areas along the I-4 corridor possible. So make sure you have all those backups, the generator there, and also power up your battery packs. In terms of the impacts of the timing, the worst of the weather will arrive late Thursday morning for areas south and west of Orlando, and then be pretty widespread across the area by Thursday afternoon. So basically Thursday is really the target zone of when we'll see the impacts from Helene. Taking a look at the timeline. So right now that storm is fighting some shear, but it's slowly starting to get organized. Tomorrow it's expected to strengthen into a hurricane. Gusty downpours for us, especially by tomorrow afternoon. And then Thursday, that's when we'll see the worst of the weather arrive. We're watching for concerns for flooding, wind, and even severe risk. I'll talk about those flooding concerns in a minute, but I want to let you know the rest of the evening in Central Florida looking really nice. Partly cloudy skies, staying dry, so plenty of time this evening for you to get prepared for what impacts we are expecting from Helene. Back to you guys.
All right.